nag-change po siya ng kanyang rear camera. Yun. After working, bye-bye, Otara! Thank you! At nagpalit din po tayo ng, show me this one, guys. Ng kanyang steering wheel. This is the old one. And this is the new one. Talagang masusing tinatahi sa ating kotse. This is leather, brother, right? Original? From? What kind of bag? Fabric leather. Fabricated. So, we changed also our tint. Yan. Lahat po ng tint niya na-change na. And say bye-bye to our steering wheel. Bye-bye, thank you. Yan. At ngayon, isa pang pipalitan sa kanya ay ang kanyang LCD. Before yung luma ng car niya. Ito na po, pinapalitan ng si LCD. 10 inches. Matera si Mang Ramon. Yee! Yan guys, Android. Excited ako. Thank you for everything, Yasi. Oh wow, linaw. Bakit incheck yan, brother? Ba't Chinese? English.
Para po dyan. Let's wait later. See you later, guys. Hi guys! We are here at Shabab Corner Car Accessories. Dito po namin pinagawa ang tint ni Yasi. See you later! Hi guys! Ito ang kanilang mga seat cover, floor cover, and stereo and LCDs. So, if you want, you can come here at Musafa. Thank you! Hey guys, ayan na nga, i-install na nila ang ating wires. Is it?
Mayroon?
Guys, naialis na.
അമണ്ട
മുന്നേ സ്റ്റാർട്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
ചാവി അവിടെ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന് മുന്നിലുണ്ടാവും.
കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിന്റെ മുന്നിൽ ചാവിണ്ടാ നിർത്തും.
ഇതിലുണ്ട് ക്യാമറ.
Where's my key, brother? It's there?
മുകളിൽ ക്യാമറ ഉണ്ട്.
9, 8, 10, and maybe like this is possible. And other one, the new models coming 10, 10 or 13 like this is upgrade the vehicle. And special this design. It's not possible this one like this universal.
Bye bye to our old radio. It's gonna be upgraded. Natanggal na?